I'm going to read We're Going on a Nature Hunt, written by Steve Metzger, illustrated by Mickey Sakamoto. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a bridge, a narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, 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 cross to the other side. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers, but don't pick them. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, paddle to the lily pad. It's a slippery, sloppery frog. Look at that frog jump and swim, but don't scare it. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, dig, dig down in the ground. It's a worm! Look at that wiggly, waggly worm. But don't hurt it. Ladle. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. Yes. We're coming to a tall and leafy tree. What's in the tree? Let's find out. Climb, climb, climb up the crooked branch. It's a scritchety, scratchety nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest, but don't touch. What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a buzzing sound. It's a beehive. Let's go! Back down the tree, back through the meadow. Back across the pond, back over the bridge. Whew, we're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last.
Yay!
And today I looked through my recyclables and I made binoculars so that I can go out on my nature hunt.